If you've been wondering how to use Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basics step by step so you can get from a blank screen to a clean, professional diagram without feeling overwhelmed. Lucidchart is a powerful diagramming tool for flowcharts, mind maps, org charts, process maps, and more. And once you learn the core workflow, it becomes really easy to use. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the Lucidchart homepage and click Sign Up Free if you don't already have an account. If you already have one, just log in normally. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can manage your folders, view your documents, and start new projects. To create a new document, click the plus new button in the top left corner. From there, you can choose a blank document if you want to build from scratch, or pick a template if you want a head start with a ready-made layout. Templates are especially helpful if you're making a flowchart, a timeline, or an organizational chart and want to save time. After your document opens, take a moment to get familiar with the canvas. You can right-click and drag to move around the workspace, which is useful when your diagram gets bigger. You can also use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out so you can work closely on details or step back to see the full layout. If the mini-map is visible, use that to quickly jump around large diagrams without losing your place. Now let's add some shapes. On the left side, you'll see the Shapes panel. Click and drag a shape from that panel onto the canvas, then drop it where you want it. You can move it around, resize it, and arrange it until the structure looks right. This is the foundation of almost every diagram in Lucidchart, so getting comfortable with shapes is the first big step. Next, you'll want to connect those shapes together. Click a shape, then drag from one of the connection points on the edge. Drop that connector onto another shape, and Lucidchart will link them for you. This is what makes flowcharts and process diagrams easy to read, because the relationships between steps are clear. After that, it's time to add text. Double-click a shape or line, type in your label, and then click outside the object to save it. You can label each step, add notes or name departments, decisions, and outcomes depending on the type of diagram you're building. Once your structure is in place, you can customize the design. Select any shape, line, or text box, then use the top toolbar to change colors, fonts, borders, and other styles. You can also adjust the size and position of objects so everything looks clean and aligned. Small formatting changes can make your diagram much easier to understand and much more professional. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can select an object and press Delete to remove it, or use Ctrl+Z on Windows, or Command+Z on Mac to undo your last action. That undo shortcut is one of the most useful things to remember when you're working in Lucidchart. When your diagram is ready, you can share it with other people. Click Share in the top right corner, then enter email addresses or copy the share link. Lucidchart also lets you control permissions, so you can choose whether others can view, comment, or edit the diagram. That makes collaboration simple whether you're working with a team, a class, or a client. So that's the basic process for how to use Lucidchart, from signing in and creating a document, to adding shapes, connecting them, editing text, customizing the design, and sharing your finished diagram. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.